Hi everyone, my name's Ashley and I'm the marketing director here at Infinite Wellness. I'm checking in with you guys today to talk about how to splash into summer naturally. So we have a couple different posts on our Facebook that talks about the do's and don'ts of sunscreen overall. We also have it on our website in the events tab as well. I'm also here to check in with you to let you know about our giveaway this June. We have a bunch of different products and it's easy to enter. So I'll go over the products with you first and then I'll tell you how you can win them. First product being is the Microfiber Towel. This is small enough to fit in your beach bag and it's great for a quick dry. Next product we have is a glass water bottle. You gotta make sure you're staying hydrated in the summer. Next we have this DEET-free bug spray called Buzz Away. This is great to keep away those mosquitoes. We also have one that helps keep away ticks as well. This one is just for all mosquitoes and all bugs that you have to worry about when you're at the bonfires in the summer. We sell both of these types of bug spray in stores, so if you don't end up winning, you can always come by and purchase one. Next product we have is Aloe Vera. This is a great product to take internally and also to rub on your sunburn. This is a preventative and an after sun helper. Next up is our favorite company standard process. So we have calcium lactate and Cataplex F pearls. So you want to take this before going in the sun, or you can take this after being in the sun when you're sunburned. It's great to be a preventative, but if you always forget, you can always take it as a backup after you're in the sun to help heal the sunburn faster. Next, we have Badger Sunscreen. This is a great, clean product, no fragrance added. Dr. Dan has tested and approved this product for sunburn when being in the sun. So now how can you win all of these? It's very simple. All you have to do is leave us a Facebook review or leave us a Google review, and you can do that by going to Google, type in Infinite Wellness. You'll see us pull up on the right-hand side, click on reviews and leave one there. Same thing goes to Facebook. Go search Infinite Wellness and then you'll see that. Click on the reviews tab and leave one there. There's also a bonus entry if you go to Facebook and leave a little post and tag us in it. What's your favorite thing about Infinite Wellness? And you'll get a bonus entry in an option to win all of these free goodies. And then also we'll be back here July 1st, next Wednesday, to announce the winner. So if you have any questions about how to enter or any questions about purchasing any of these products, if you don't end up winning, give us a call and we would love to help you. If not, I look forward to seeing you next Wednesday.